Back when 7 Mile was lit, cars bumper to bumper. East Jefferson was off the hook. Jefferson was smothered. But then you hit the bridge, crossed over to Belial. We've been on the rock for 2 hours, but only drove a mile. Been working hard all week, couldn't wait to get to Friday. In my CD player, Anita Baker, got Jodeci and Sade. Oh man, your system bumping, your speakers sounding loud. But these 15s in my trunk said they came to shut it all down. Now dances come and go, we know they change like the weather. But we started something decades ago and can't nobody do it better. And I would never lie to you, it ain't that easy to get. But pay close attention, Detroit, long live Jit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody out there said this. Long live Jit, long live Jit, long live Jit. Let me hear y'all. Long live Jit, long live Jit, long live Jit. And 1 time for the culture, 2 times for the love, 3 times for all our fallen soldiers, the grace up above. I'm a slave to the drums, mama look what I've become. I try looking for competition, but there seems to be none. 6 a.m. in the morning, we don't stop till the sun is coming up. My number's up and we just here to have fun. You might not believe it, you might not even buy it, but when you see the people move, you might go home and try it. I knew it like I was psychic, dope since flip phones and sidekicks. The rhyme you hear is classic, and the moves you see are timeless. And I would never lie to you, it ain't that easy to get. Pay close attention. Long live Jit. Let's go, y'all. Long live Jit.
It is primarily done to Detroit techno music. When you see it,
somebody said, long live Jit, long live Jit, long live Jit. Long live Jit, long live Jit, long live Jit. Yeah, long live Jit, long live Jit, long live Jit. What up, Mar? Long live Jit, long live Jit, long live Jit. What up, Sonic? Long live Jit, long live Jit, long live Jit. What up, Juju? Long live Jit, long live Jit. Long live Jit. Detroit performs for you. Yeah, 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 yeah.
It is primarily done to Detroit techno music. When you see it,
one more time.
enjoy
Long
it.
live Jit. Long 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 live Jit. Yeah, yeah. Long live Jit. Just some more mic. Long live Jit. Come on, come on. Yo, the club was lit last night. Everybody was there. A dope DJ, no drama, bottles everywhere. But then the music had sped up and everybody formed a circle. The younger dude told the old school, I take it easy, I won't hurt you. The younger dude had the moves, that was a shout to Big Sean. But what the old schooler began to do made everybody turn their cameras on. His beat was going crazy. How fast can they get? I seen this dance before.